Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight Review, the channel where I give you the real truth about products straight to the point. Today I'm bringing you a sincere and direct review about a product that's getting a lot of attention, Steel Bite Pro. Does it really work? Is it worth buying? Stay with me until the end and get all your questions answered. The product I'm reviewing today is called Steel Bite Pro. It's a 100% natural dental health supplement designed to support oral hygiene from the inside out. According to the manufacturer, Steel Bite Pro promises to strengthen teeth and gums, help eliminate bad breath, support overall oral health, target harmful bacteria in the mouth, reduce the risk of infections like gingivitis and periodontitis. But does it really deliver on these promises? Let's see. Now, let's talk about the positives. First, the formula is made with 100% natural ingredients like turmeric, milk thistle, red raspberry, berberine, and many others known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Second, it's easy to use. Just 2 capsules a day with water and you're done. No complicated routines. Third, after a few weeks of use, many users, including myself, reported improvements in gum sensitivity, less bleeding when brushing, and better breath freshness. It's also non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in the USA in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities. Overall, the ingredients and the way it supports oral health from the inside are a big plus. Now for the downsides, because here we tell the truth. First, it's not a miracle pill. If you expect instant results in 2 or 3 days, this product is not for you. It requires consistent use for several weeks. Second, it's only available on the official website, which means you need to be careful with fake versions sold elsewhere. And finally, for some people, the price might seem a bit high for a supplement, so these are points to consider before buying. So, what's my honest final verdict? If you're someone struggling with gum issues, bad breath, or looking for extra support for your dental health, I believe Steel Bite Pro is worth trying, as long as you have realistic expectations and are ready to use it daily. I don't recommend it for people who are looking for an overnight solution or are not committed to a few weeks of use. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10 for natural oral care support. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. The official link to the product is in the video description below. That way you avoid scams and get the original formula. Leave a comment sharing your experience or any questions you have. And of course, subscribe for more honest and straight to the point reviews like this one. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight